Developments tonight out of a southern Utah case of a YouTube vlogger charged with child abuse.
Yeah, her lawyer says that she plans to take a plea deal next week as she turns on a mental health counselor who is also charged in this case. His specialist Andrew Adams has been searching through the lawyer's statement. Andrew, what'd you find?
Yeah, the statement paints Ruby Franke as a devoted mom in search of improvement. Her legal team says that Jody Hildebrand took advantage of the situation and, quote, twisted it into something heinous.
It was a case that brought attention from around the world to a courthouse in St. George.
I grew up watching the 8 Passengers channel, and so when I saw all this happening, I got super intrigued.
Prosecutors filed aggravated child abuse charges against YouTuber Ruby Franke.
Miss Franke, can you hear me?
Yes.
As well as against mental health counselor Jody Hildebrand. Franke has been accused of using duct tape to restrain 2 of her children while starving them inside Hildebrand's house until her son escaped and ran to a neighbor's place.
I just had a 12-year-old boy show up here at my front door asking for help.
Now, attorneys say Franke plans to enter a plea. A statement from Windward Law says Hildebrand took Franke's intent to improve as a mom and, quote, twisted it into something heinous. Franke's legal team says Hildebrand systematically isolated Franke from her family, subjecting her to a, quote, distorted sense of morality.
I think this came as a surprise to everyone.
Legal analyst Greg Skordas says how much the plea helps Franke is unknown.
A plea bargain entails that there is some acceptance of responsibility, some plea to a lesser charge, and we'll just have to see what that is.
Franke's lawyers say the woman's time in jail has allowed her to reset her moral compass. Skordas says he believes prosecutors may now be resetting their focus on the other defendant.
It's not uncommon at all when you have cases involving multiple co-defendants for the state to go to the one perhaps that is the least culpable of the others and try to get them to help the state's case. That seems to be what's happening here.
Franke is expected to enter that plea agreement when she appears in court on Monday. Of course, we'll have a crew there and bring you the very latest details as we get them here on KSL. Back to you.
All right, Andrew, thank you.